So when we view cyberspace now, we view it as somewhere where conflict occurs, and we need to make sure that we're appropriately fighting in the domain so that we can do what we need to do from a national security standpoint, but also from a world security standpoint. Syracuse University has a history going back to the Second World War of supporting veterans, the troops that were coming home from an educational standpoint. And in the cybersecurity field, what makes them unique is they actually have the research laboratory just down the road from here, which provides that operational context back into them. They have a unit here that's a guard unit, that's a military unit, so they're naturally hooked in and have the resourcing there to do it. Maybe the most important part is they have a faculty and administration that are really supportive of looking at the problems we have from a national security or operations standpoint. So programs like these are unique in that they really merge the educational aspect with the operational art of what's going on a day-to-day basis. So they get a chance to learn in the classroom and then see an application for it. For ROTC, it's what they're going to see in their careers down the line, and also for active duty military or for veterans, they get to apply some of that skill set that they've already developed.
He'll teach you basic definitions, he'll teach you how to plan stuff, and then he gives you a mission statement, right? You do little mission exercises per week because they give you a real-time simulation where you're able to react to things like, oh, he's like, oh, your target's getting away.
Even though it's a lot of work, it's definitely fun. If you're at least minimally interested in cybersecurity, all of the courses we cover and the topics will definitely pique your interest, no matter what sort of niche you want to go into.
It's not necessarily about going out and getting the Silicon Valley job necessarily. It's about saying, what can I do to serve? What can I do as part of that service for the nation? And that's really the students are going to do the best, because they're going to be challenged beyond what they would normally see from a typical curriculum. And that's what keeps you going, is knowing that you're going to be making a difference with what you're learning later on.